Hey guys, what's up? This is Yoga with a new tutorial in Tableau. Like what is a Tableau and why we use it? So basically a Tableau is an analytic software which is used to create our same beautiful data presentation and also used for the BI like business instructions, business analytic software and business driving data. So why we use Tableau, like if you want to use Tableau for a professional, so you can give your client a very beautiful presentation on the data, and the client makes some analytical decisions which help in its business. So basically the Tableau is basically this is a Tableau workspace. Like this is a simple workspace which you can get like first of all, when we go to the left side of the Tableau, you can find file, data and help. You can choose any type of file if you want. You can choose any help which you can get. Like second one is that you can simply connect to a file. Like you can connect to Microsoft Excel file, text file, JSON file, PDF file, statistical live file, or to a server like Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, Amazon Redshift, etc. And you can also get some save work data spaces like which I have saved. Like I have downloaded from the samples. Like you can go to there and also sample gallery, you can find it. When why we insert data on Tableau? Like first of all, I already said that Tableau is basically used for BI understanding and data analytics. So you can simply give a presentation to your client about the data handling. Like you can give it a simple presentation, like you can submit, you can give a graph of basically interactive graph which is used for taking some analytical decisions. Like first of all, I click it. I find this is a workspace. This is basically a Tableau workspace. This is also a Tableau workspace. But before going to it, we can simply go to data source. Like it is our data source which is come from the orders. Like I have choose orders, which is give me order ID, order date, country. Like this UNT says California, and also region, sub-region, product name, sales like in dollars, discount percentage, profit ratio, manufacturer. Now the manufacturer can be had from any, you can choose any data if you want on Excel, or you can see CSV or text file. Next one is that when you click on this sample superstore database, you can simply go to sheet 1. When you go to sheet 1, you can find there is some type of analytics tools, also a ribbon which is given all the formatting, analysis, map, format, stories, dashboard, worksheet, data and etc. You can choose anything. Like this is basically our sample database. So like you can choose orders, you can do customer data, and anything you want for your database. Like first of all, I will choose sample database 2, which is there. I go there and also I choose, like I can choose anything you want. Like I can choose order date. Simply I choose order date in columns. Like it's give me a this type of data. Like I don't want this data, so I will remove it. You can simply remove the data. Also you can just go to sample database and choose anything you want. Like you can choose data analytics, you can choose data or data analytics. I simply go to data. I choose order date, ship mode. I will choose order data, order ID and also ship date. Please give me a simple data, like the simple data which is not clearly seen. Like if I choose order ID on the rows and I choose year on the top right, so I can choose I just remove because I don't need years. So I can remove it. I can choose order ID and ship date. Yeah, ship date is basically an important, like how much ship I have made on a single day. Like after that, you can choose the measures, dimensions. You can also choose maybe I can choose price. Sometime I can choose as a price, like sales measures. Like if I get a sales measure, so I can simply go there and make like how much sales I have made on a particular order ID on a particular year. You can get it from there. Like if I choose this graph, this is give me a that. If I choose a bar graph, and I can choose how much order ID has been shipped, like sales for $1 or anything. If I choose a map, like if I choose a country on it, so I can choose a map which I don't have. I don't insert any country, so the map is not. Order ID, how much order ship on a particular year, like 2016, not for this years. And also you get a profit, like profit from there. Also you can choose it can take some time because it was detailing the our profit, like it's our profit, like we have. Well, this is a basically sample data, so mainly the profit is not come exactly that you want, but it just give you an example. Like if in our future tutorials we can simply move the all the database scenarios, also all the graphics properties, all the data interruption, data analytics, and all other thing which we can get it. After that you can choose simply, you can make a graph, you can make a sample database presentation from Tableau. So I hope this video basically help you to understand the basic features of this Tableau. Like in our next tutorial we will go step by step about the data interruption techniques which we can get from a data with our climate different data like union, intercepts, etc. So guys, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, so please give us a like, and don't just like my friend, please hit the subscribe button below, and you can get all the updates from yoga tutorials. So guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day.